This report is an update concerning the confession of Uche Kingsley. Uche Kingsley is the member of Ozezani, the native doctor that owns that place they saw so many pied people. Uche Kingsley made some confessions that day that they caught him. The confession include the name of their club or cult, anyhow you want to call it. He said the name is White Club for Progress. He said they are about 15 in number, but he gave 11 names of their members with their phone number. He included their phone numbers too. He said their names include Okechukwu Ilo, Uche Kingsley, Ngweche, that himself, Ozo Okpoto Ngwo Emeka, Odinwamkpa Ejike, Eze Ayadimelu, Marcelo Ojibala Muso, Mata Ngozi Okafo, Ozo Ekene, Igwe Chika, and Oyeka. These are the 11 people he mentioned their names and he gave their phone numbers. That is what you can also see in this video right here. The video that is showing on the other corner. That is what you are seeing there. It's him that still confessed that anybody that wants to become their member will bring 500,000 naira to them. But if the person is so poor that the person cannot provide it, that the person will be given some tax to do. And anybody that enters into their club, they will give the person the blood of one of those people where they don't buy. Then they go use welcome the person into their club. And if it happens that the person wants to leave the club, that's what they will do to the person that will make those incantations and everything that they have put in the person to leave the person. They will do it with a dog. They will buy dog to I don't know if to purify the person, something like that, before the person can be able to leave the club. Now so he talk. If you look well for this video, you go see the car where they placed white things for inside. Those things where they see now, some of those people where they don't buy for that place, where their body don't they even decompose. Now some of them be waiting they see for inside that car. Though I covered it small because of the app we are using. So there are some of the people we are seeing in the car because the authorities still carried some of them, make they go put them for mortuary before their family members will come to carry them. Among those people, as I told you in my previous video, are even small kids, boys, girls, men, women, and they know they place all of them one place. Then they place them different places. That's their master himself when they call it they play the show. They talk say na his first son. Na him be the first person where he buy self. Na his first son. As he buy him, he still kept him as he they do for other people. Talk say he don't bury him. Now he just build something like that soccer way where they put others. Now they put down his first son. He can't cover him with concrete. Then come mold lion put on top of it. He say now that lion now they represent his son. Now on top of where they bury the son, now for they mold that lion put for that his compound still. Before you come begin to buy so many people. If you enter that place, that place they discovered that pregnant woman. So many people did that place. So many no gree people enter there. If you watch the video where you go see people when they enter, they all cover their nose. They talk say this Uche Kingsley dey pretend to be a Christian o. Every time you go see him dey put stickers of one man of God wey dey like to at ten d his church. Maybe to cover up make people no know who he really is. But God no be children. God no be pikin. God by himself expose everything, scatter everything for them, and put to an end all the atrocities wey they don commit for there for years. If not be say God expose everything now, who knows how many they plan to buy this year? Report said even last week they kpied a WAEC student, a boy so, that went to write WAEC. They said na them wey kpai that boy just last week, before this week's own wey they plan to kpai that girl, before God said no. My advice to you be say make you no dey envy anybody again. Just be happy with whatever God don give you. You no know the real source of the money of those people you dey envy. The people wey dey in the same line with him go dey envy him. Dem go dey talk say they no know wetin they do wey make God no wan bless them. They no go know say e get cockroach for his cupboard. Just dey contented with anything wey God give you. Be happy and always hope for more from God. No rush life. Him wey wan rush life now, you see how life put am. Thank you for watching. Please remember to share and like. Bye bye for now.